So this is actually how this Trichoderma looks like. It's basically green in color and is able to colonize and protect the plant root systems. And this is basically how it works. In between plant cells, there are actually space in between the cells. So what this Trichoderma does is, it wedges itself in between these spaces, and it grows in between them. It acts sort of like a bodyguard for the plant. So unlike pathogens don't care. They will just puncture the cell and eat everything. But this Trichoderma, it does not harm the cell, but rather it just colonizes and propagates the space in between the cells inside the roots. So Trichoderma is not just one species of Trichoderma. There are actually hundreds of different types of Trichoderma, each with its own unique morphology, different sporulation patterns, slightly different color. And in fact, in our cell bank itself, we already have more than 50 different types of Trichoderma in our cell bank, all isolated from different places, from places like Vietnam, Philippines, Sabah, Sarawak, even most of the states in Peninsula. So this is actually how it colonizes the root system. How we know it actually colonizes the root system. As you can see in this photo, you can see the root. This is actually root fragments of the oil palm. So you can see that the fungus is actually growing from inside. And then once it matures on this selective media, you will start to see its characteristic. It will start to become yellow, start to become green. So this is after 5 days. And after 9 days, you can see that it has already grown from the root and colonized the plate. So this is actually a simple way of checking whether this Trichoderma is actually already inside the root. And we can perform this test for our clients, in trials, to serve as a sort of like a validation method to see whether the application is successful or not. So in conclusion here, Trichoderma is a very versatile biocontrol agent that is able to control a wide range of plant diseases, ranging from diseases caused by Trichoderma, by Fusarium, Phytophthora, and so on and so forth. And besides that, it is also able to stimulate the root development of plants, and by doing so, directly improve the nutrient uptake and leading to better yields. And from what we have seen here is that it can be compatible with chemical nutrients under the right conditions. So what are the type of conditions? You have to have sufficient organic matter. And of course, if you're talking about the fertigation system, you have to separate the applications from the chemicals. So all in all, this is what this Trichoderma has to offer. And it is able to perform best under the right conditions when we use it together with our products, our biochemical treatment products. So with that, that is the end of my presentation.